In 2024, JBL has once again raised the bar in the world of Bluetooth speakers with the launch of the JBL Xtreme 4, a speaker that perfectly blends powerful sound, smart AI technology, and an impressive battery life. At $380, this speaker is certainly a premium product, but is it worth the price? In this review, we'll break down its sound quality, performance, design, and overall value, and see why it's earning the top spot among Bluetooth speakers this year. The first thing you notice about the JBL Xtreme 4 is its bold sound. Whether you're hosting a beach party or enjoying music in the comfort of your living room, the Xtreme 4 delivers a rich, dynamic sound experience. Equipped with two 2.75-inch woofers and two 0.75-inch tweeters, the speaker is designed to deliver high-output audio with incredible clarity at higher volumes. There's no distortion, and the bass is deep and powerful, even at full volume. For those who appreciate a rich bass experience, the Xtreme 4's passive radiators and advanced AI-powered sound optimization are key features that set it apart. The AI Sound Boost technology constantly analyzes the audio in real time and adjusts the sound for clearer, more powerful output. It's the kind of feature you may not notice actively, but it enhances the listening experience in an almost magical way. The speaker offers a wide range of EQ presets, including JBL Signature, Chill, Energetic, and Vocal modes. Each preset fine-tunes the audio to different listening preferences. Whether you like deep bass, crisp vocals, or more ambient sounds, there's an EQ mode that suits your style. The Signature mode, for instance, amplifies bass and mid-high frequencies, making it perfect for genres like rock, pop, and EDM. The Chill setting softens the highs, creating a relaxing atmosphere perfect for acoustic and jazz music. JBL has taken the design of the Xtreme 4 to the next level. The speaker feels premium right out of the box. Wrapped in durable, recycled fabric and plastic, it exudes a rugged yet sleek appearance. Available in black, blue, and camouflage, the Xtreme 4's mesh fabric is not only stylish but functional. With an IP67 waterproof rating, this speaker can survive submersion in water for up to 30 minutes and handle dust, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. The speaker is relatively compact for its power, measuring 11.7 inches long and weighing 4.6 pounds. It's easy to carry around with the included nylon strap, which even features a bottle opener for those beach days or barbecue parties. The rear panel houses the USB-C charging port and an innovative removable battery door. Yes, JBL's 2024 line of speakers, including the Xtreme 4, features a replaceable battery, a move that promises to extend the product's lifespan and reduce environmental impact. One of the most impressive features of the JBL Xtreme 4 is its battery life. With a massive 9,444 mAh lithium-ion battery, the speaker delivers up to 30 hours of playtime on a single charge, depending on your usage and volume levels. JBL has also introduced a Playtime Boost feature that maximizes the battery life, making this one of the longest-lasting Bluetooth speakers on the market. Charging the Xtreme 4 takes just 3.5 hours, and you can even use the USB-C port to charge other devices on the go. Whether you're camping, traveling, or enjoying a long day at the beach, the Xtreme 4 ensures your music keeps going. If you're running low on battery and can't compromise on sound, the Playtime Boost mode is a lifesaver, providing up to an additional 6 hours of music, though it does reduce sound quality slightly. A standout feature of the JBL Xtreme 4 is its integration of Auracast Bluetooth technology. This next-gen Bluetooth feature allows the speaker to connect to an unlimited number of other JBL devices, creating a multi-speaker or multi-room setup. Whether you want a stereo pair with another Xtreme 4 or want to amplify the sound by connecting multiple speakers, Auracast makes it easy. It also supports Party Boost, a technology that enables compatibility with older JBL devices. Additionally, JBL has incorporated AI Sound Boost, which uses real-time algorithms to continuously optimize the acoustic output of the speaker. This ensures that the sound remains crisp, clear, and powerful no matter the volume or genre of music you're listening to.